Yo, what is up people? Your boy Homer here is back, and today we are talking about a very hot topic nowadays, which is security, especially as a crypto trader. So if you're farming airdrops, grinding multiple wallets, sniping meme coins, or just managing several trading accounts, you know that the market is not the biggest enemy, as it might be the app itself that might get you banned. So today I'm showing you the tool that thousands of crypto users are quietly using to manage 10, 50 or even 100 accounts without getting detected. And yeah, you might already know that I have done some videos on Antidetect browsers because I'm using them myself. And today's one I want to show you AdsPower, which is the one that I've been using for the last month. And yeah, I want to show you why I feel like it's one of the most practical ones for people like me and you. AdsPower has a wide variety of options, and we're gonna dive deeper into this video. So let's get into that, and let's talk about AdsPower more deeper. Every platform like X, Discord, Telegram, CEXs and DEXs, airdrop projects, they actually track you through something called browser fingerprinting, and in 2026 it should not be a secret for you. So they see your real IP, canvas, WebRTC, font, screen resolution, even hardware info. Nowadays, if you just try to open two wallets and on the same normal browser, you can instantly get flagged or even banned. And this is where Antidetect browser come in. So yeah, it's indeed one of the most powerful Antidetect browser you can find on the market in 2026, and it lets you create unlimited browser profiles, each with completely unique fingerprints, including mobile like iOS and Android. You can use it on the Firefox base, for example, to make it less harder to detect compared to a regular browser. And you can use it for multiple reasons. For example, framing multiple airdrops at the same time, testing new projects safely, as well as running different strategies on the same exchange, or managing multiple Twitter and Discord accounts for alpha. So I have already done a video on how to manage multiple Binance sub-accounts, and this is a very hot topic for traders especially. And yeah, Antidetect browser are the best tool for this. Now when it comes to step-by-step on how to use AdsPower, let me walk you through how easy it actually is to get into that. So first of all, you have to go to adspower.com and create a free account. You get 2 profiles for free forever. Then you create a new profile. You can choose on Windows, macOS, Android or iOS. The browser type, the one that I told you about, the Firefox or Chromium, which are more safer. You can set your manual fingerprints or randomize them, and both of the cases are working for you. And then a very crucial step would be to find and set up your proxy. So use residential or mobile proxies, and you can put different proxies on different profiles. Then you can launch the profile by yourself. It opens like a normal browser, but it's completely isolated. You can install extensions, log into wallets, Twitter, whatever you need. And step 5, the game changer in my opinion, is the synchronizer. This is an option for the AdsPower users, and this is my favorite one if you ask me, because you can control 10 up to 20 windows at the same time, and you can open them at the same time, type or click buttons among them, and all is gonna be synced. It's actually saving me a lot of time with farming, for example, so this is something you might also take notes for. Now, talking about me personally, I've been tried AdsPower for many other goals. For example, I've tried using it for running up to 20 wallets for layer 2 airdrop simultaneously, as well as managing multiple Twitter accounts. If you want to get more engagement or stuff like that, you can get shadow banned, and I'm pretty sure you know about that. So you can use it for multiple Twitter accounts or multiple IPs. Then you can also test it for new meme coins or different DESs with separate wallets, just to make it safer for you, as well as farming points to several projects at once without risking my main account. So this is how I tried it, and I'm pretty sure there are 100 other ways to test it by yourself and find a practical way to use it for your daily life. So because each profile looks like a completely different person on a different device, the risk of mass banning is much less, so it drops dramatically. When it comes to pricing, they have 2 free plans that I have mentioned that I've given to you for your whole lifetime, then paid plans that scale with how many profiles you need. You can also get a 7-day free trial if you want to try the premium and pro features that they are offering. But for serious farmers and power users, this easily pays for itself after one successful airdrop or good trade. There's no 100% undetectable tool forever. The cat and mouse game continues, but right now in 2026, AdsPower is one of the most useful anti-detect browser and the most powerful that lets you manage multi-accounts in crypto especially. So if you are still using normal Chrome profiles or incognito, you're actually playing with fire. One pro tip that I want to mention as well in this video is to use AdsPower with different proxies and different wallets. Don't be greedy and actually take your time to not repeat the exact same actions with your wallets, because this is also highlighting you a lot. So yeah, if you want to try AdsPower, the link will be down in the description. Let me know what you think about that. Drop a like and a comment down below this video, and see you with cool content as always. Goodbye.